Did you know that if you're a fourth grader, you can get into every national park for free for an entire year, and so can your whole family? Let me show you how to get this card.
Welcome to VO's Travel.
Where to go and what to see with kids.
Name 3 national parks that we have visited.
3 national parks that we have visited is Redwoods National Park, Yellowstone National Park, and Glacier National Park.
If you have a 4th grade student in any type of school, you are free to qualify for this pass. You go to everykidoutdoors.gov. You'll scroll down and click on Get Your Pass. You'll scroll down a little bit on that screen and click Play under 4th graders. After that, you will scroll down and click to verify that you are indeed a 4th grader or have a 4th grade student, and then click Start. It will take you through this little game where you get to choose between going on a hike, time traveling, or going swimming. It doesn't matter which one you choose. And then it will give you 3 other options of fun activities you can do. It doesn't matter, again, which one you choose. And then it will give you a little story based on your selections, and you will scroll down and click Get Your Pass Now. When you do that, you will scroll down and there is a place where you will enter your zip code, and then it will take you to a screen that you print out on your printer. Once you get that sheet, you will take it to a national park. You will pull in that national park, and at the ranger station, you will hand the ranger your sheet that you've printed off, and they will in turn give you your free 4th grade pass. Which was your favorite?
Redwoods National Park, because the trees were so tall and they were so beautiful.
Do you have a second favorite national park we've gone to?
Probably Glacier.
Why Glacier National Park?
It was just such a beautiful sight to see, and everything was just so pretty, and I loved it.
This pass is good for your 4th grade student and everybody else in your family that you're traveling with, and is good for a full year. If you've made it this far, comment below your favorite national park that you have visited or the national park that is on your bucket list. And as always, I hope that you remember to choose joy and take all of the pictures.